Good day, everyone. I am Julius L. Lasso, a third-year BSBA HRM student. In this presentation, I will be answering the guide questions from our activity in Chapter 6, Cost and Budget Management. Let's begin with the first question.
What is the difference between cost management and budget management?
Cost management is the broader process of planning, estimating, budgeting, and controlling all project costs to ensure the project is completed within the approved budget. Budget management is more focused on allocating a specific amount of money and tracking how it is spent. In simple terms, cost management controls the overall project expense, while budget management monitors how the assigned funds are used. For example, cost management ensures that the total expenses of an HR recruitment project stay within 120,000 pesos, while budget management tracks a 30,000 pesos allocation for job posting, printing of materials, and interview logistic to make sure it is not overspent.
Question number 2. Why is cost and budget management important in project planning?
Cost and budget management is important in project planning because it ensures that resources are used efficiently and the project stays within its financial limits. It helps prevent cost overruns and unnecessary spending, which can delay or even fail a project. It also improves accountability and transparency by clearly tracking how funds are allocated and used. Overall, it supports better decision making and organizational efficiency, leading to successful and sustainable outcomes.
Question number 3. Discuss the phases of cost management.
The phases of cost management include resource planning, cost estimating, cost budgeting, and cost control. In each plays an important role in managing project expenses. Resource planning identifies what materials, labor, and other resources are needed, helping avoid unnecessary purchases. Cost estimating predicts how much each resource will cost, giving a clear idea of expected expenses. Cost budgeting organizes this estimate into an approved financial plan, while cost control monitors actual spending and make adjustments to prevent overspending and keep the project within budget.
Question number 4. Compare at least two cost estimation techniques.
Analogous estimating and parametric estimating are two common cost estimation techniques used in project management that differ in accuracy and application. Analogous estimating uses data from past similar projects to quickly estimate cost and most appropriate in the early stage of a project when detailed information is limited, such as estimating the cost of a new HR training program based on a particular similar project. On the other hand, parametric estimating uses mathematical calculations based on unit cost and quantities, making it more accurate and suitable when reliable data is available, such as calculating a training cost of 500 pesos per employee for 100 employees to get a total of 50,000 pesos.
Question number 5. What are the common challenges in budgeting and how can they be addressed?
Common budgeting challenges include unclear project scope, inaccurate cost estimates, scope creep or the unplanned changes, and poor communication or monitoring of expenses. These issues can lead to overspending and delays in HR projects. For example, in an HR training project, cost may increase if additional modules are added without updating budget. These challenges can be addressed clearly, defining the project scope at the start, using reliable estimation technique, and regularly monitoring expenses against the budget. Strong communication among stakeholders and consistent financial tracking also help ensure that project stays within its approved budget.
That's all for my presentation.
Thank you for watching.